The Awakening India movement AIM today announced a public demonstration scheduled to be held on the 20th of November to oppose the government's restrictions on unvaccinated members of the public. Speaking to reporters at a press conference, AIM chairman Banshai Marbaniang informed that the intention of the protest is not to go against COVID vaccination drive, but instead it has been organized to create awareness amongst members of the public to not succumb to restrictions enforced by the government on people who have not taken the vaccination. Marbaniang further informed that the forthcoming public demonstration will be part of the countrywide demonstrations that will take place in 16 states of the country. He added that the Supreme Court had passed a judgment recently which indicates that vaccination is voluntary. The state government has been insisting on vaccination amongst the public, but this only amounts to violation of Article 19(1) of the Constitution of India, Marbaniang informed.
Ban na kata kadang ong ba ko sorkar sngau thu lem bat ka ei ka bangi kwa shu kata kalong ba wan numon ra ka divide and rule policy na mar ngila depan sakhi lemba ka by election ka bala dep no ngila depan sakhi haba pli ya ka east and west district angte haba west khas hills kipai ba kiba ya charom shaneng kiba kamai kiba kaji kiba le jing yeseng kiba trai hala ki jong ki kam ihapan board ranti hanai kata ka protocols oi ka protocols kala bandan Hendrai balai kan ka protocols pikam pentrai kampat hapo kadai ka by election ka barang sudah lani kumju wat kadai ka pli ka district ro kumju kadai ka ai ka protocols hatu ka dai ka protocol ka pentrai kam tanam tagi mrau hatu ka dai ka protocols ka bangidan kam ban bot tang nam mengi ki ba kampat IT ka hang ni idon mang baro ngidan ki berada pan sim utika ngidan ki pempat sim ro utika hendrai ngi pat ki brio ki bayang light doi hala ka jong kari ba ka jai ben rio om tang hala ka jong kari ba ka jai ben rio ha kiri ba ka jai ben rio ba per so dong keleng ka porthei ki yang rang ba ban mi na ka benta ban wanra ya ka jing song sup ka jing song sngai hala ka jong ka jela hala ka jong ka snong ka bakidon nginum dei ban ong bangin Shillong tang na ka benta bangin wanra ban su ong ban su pen idur ya ke berkhot mereka Awaken India movement nadu ka pasdang hi kayeng ban yele kayeng ban senran ni upai ba bat kayeng hero ban pen song sngai om bangin penlong tangkun ki mrau reng yeng na ka benta ka hok ba ka jing sisa